Super 24 TV no so ne kwama da wa gode mun sim ka krabi anopai mensaka and amele ebekuaro na 5 players it has been confirmed say obo free Asante Kotoko. Who are these 5 players? Ni na no ewa ha be de Asia ewo the Super 24 no so now with international Asante Kotoko reaction over join here 0247 107260 0247 107260 what's happening I'm found to so baby I wish you free piano be chow I'm wakaba about Jubedi so me I made Jubedi what chairman no me dino de na Zell Hamza obit me after me the blog man information we are saying not to hope yam fan kamemo and the date you know 17th of June 2025. Let's take this message as a light for our power for today. And then Tuesday 17th of June 2025. When someone is telling you his or her sad story, listen and don't relate to the story by interjecting or interrupting. When someone is telling you about his or her ordeal, never interrupt with a related story of yours. Sa obi kan na were ho sembia kire wa o tie manaso ne tie asem no the best thing you can do is say wo dey sa enya fa o kan na asem a kire na o me kura asem yi ebi tu mi o tamane ye wa ha no ye kura de ye hia nipa no ono na e kan asem a kire wonya wo na wo be kan wo di esi tete but what you say manaso ne tie no wo solutions bia na so wo advice bia wo de amana nya afi na wo be relate to say asemu gram bia to me da na wo de ni ho bium ne de na wo ka kire so sympathize with the person rather than relating the story to you. Say wo kra no na me kra sa o na afi de wo be gye asem na e ka. Say you pass through maybe a worse situation and as bibisa here. Just listen to the person. Listen, unihwe kan wo de tie okay we are okone baby. Enya fe na wo be related to wo. Enya wo you are not the subject matter. You get a drift. You are not the subject matter. Ono na e kan asema kire. Intelligent wo be gye akaze na mekra okra wo na ye den. Na botere ne tie no wo mo bia waboa no ni mo bia you sympathize so and then this is the message for our life our power for today Tuesday 17th of June 2025. Now let's roll to Asante Kotoko. 5 players a free club no at the end of this season. A bit to me I 6 or 7 based on players are Kotoko bit me at home. Now me no ka say 5 players no umudino ewa ha me de ebro ewo super no so we confirm do the kind Frederick Asare the contract with Asante Kotoko abewi player no en extended Fukumasi Asante Kotoko. What is a Kotoko performer goalkeeper Razak Abarura know so when Nitali biara obe 30 inti Razak Abarura no obeba na Frederick Asare call inti eno no be change no na it is a Frederick Asare call. That's the number 1 or call the contracts no teams be what Tanzania ne Kenya ne sa ayi ho no e de abieska so akere no tube e o abieska so akere no inti obekwa akupiska they on your first choice view. Into Frederick Asare, Justice Blay, and so when you offer our monone, I can't 1 year with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. When you offer, Felisa was so much, and I'm paid for so any yaya against the master. The grano, why you be into Justice Blay so. I am penny for a be among safe, so let us say, oh, my blessing, no call. Ono one the I think say Europe and I say America. These are the two players. Now the third player Michael Chidwamana. Chidwamana there no a contract expiration. And also contracts no abenwe or sign for Asante Kotoko 2 years in 2023. Ugum second coming no kofane by. And also the contract no abenwe at the end of July, August, and abenwe. That is player friend Michael Chidwamana. Now the fourth player I'm told say Andre Daniel Ajeti, the ball first round of 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League winner Kotoko fane by. Oba o chere hu so sa ninu aba kwa ye ko fa ne kan ho re by what is Kwesi Asante no crowd already are terminating the contract, but Andre Ajeti also I chere hu so you is supposed to be a backup to Lord Amoa any player a friend Kote, but and click man sa inti mpanyifo contract near around and inti Kotoko na be so on be loan no akope club bi abo eno no Ajeti and Fernando Bassi Nigeria ni no mpanyifo hu no se na hokeka no e wo from inti ono de ne de wan ha termination na ombenya terminate contract no na HSA ono Kotoko dwumadie no abawie. That's it on players are air confirms or moko. Player bit to say Chiba for Uchi, the tiki can. Player bit to say Chiba for Uchi, the tiki can, but a likely so beastie. Kwame Poku a bit me ako. Sikakesi be abetoho. Sikakesi a pan abetoho. Kwame Poku bit me ako. Sikakesi abeto beti ma kososo ma na 6 and as 7 players on the go. Sika no so. No Kotoko no be boa onye din. You attract big offers. Nti Kwame Poku enye nwan wa say at the end of the season. Sika no Kotoko pagi for beje no mo dey aye club no. Ade ba akwa ye hu bi a chepan ne say Kotoko a ton player. In this last 2 seasons ye hu say Kotoko two for invest a lot, but be a year to but it's been Toby and I'm penny for who is a Kwame Poku idea. Majiscano. Normally are 2 years because soldier go, soldier comes. Barracks remains the same. Medino Edinazo Hamza obeyed me after me the blog man, maybe you make one. You don't see a child long time.